If you're struggling to move on to the next stage in your sewing project because you're unsure how to change the feet on your sewing machine, I've got you covered. Welcome to this video on how to change the presser foot on your sewing machine. I'm going to show you how I do it on my Janome TXL607, but do check your sewing machine manual for any differences if you're using any other type of machine. Your sewing machine probably came with a variety of different feet which serve lots of different purposes for your sewing. For the vast majority of them, they clip on easily, and I'll show you how. Watch until the end to see the walking foot attachment, which is slightly different, but I'm sure you won't have any problems when you know how. The one you'll likely use the most is this one. You can use this for most general sewing, including a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. But let's say you need to now sew in a zip, using your zip foot, or sew a buttonhole. The one thing you'll need to look out for on most of the feet that you'll use is this little bar or pin in the middle. The foot holder on the sewing machine has a corresponding groove underneath which fits over the bar and holds it in place. All you need to do to change feet is firstly raise the needle to its highest position using the hand wheel at the side of the machine. Raise the presser foot using the presser foot lever at the back of the machine. Then press the lever which is on the back of the foot holder here. This will release the foot so that it drops down onto the bed of the machine, allowing you to move it out of the way. And here it is from the front, as easy as that. To replace it with a different foot, take the one you want to use, I'm using a zip foot here, and align the bar directly underneath the groove in the foot holder. Lower the holder and it will lock in place over the new foot. You can check it's secure by lifting the presser foot lifter again, and the foot should rise with the lifter. If you want to use your walking foot, this is how you do it. You need to remove the foot holder completely, so take your screwdriver and remove the screw. Then take out the foot holder and place it to one side. Take your walking foot and you'll see it has some little arms that wrap around the presser bar in the middle. Make sure the lever on the foot is laying on top of the needle screw. Then wrap the arms around the bar, making sure the screw hole is still accessible. Take your screw and place it back in place, tightening it until it's secure. And there's your walking foot in place and ready to sew. If you're looking for more advice on setting up your sewing machine, check out my Sewing Machine Know-How playlist.